Okay, what I would like to know, my neighbor, year before last, he had trees growing over in my yard on top of my house, and they fell and they broke all the wires down and everything. And I had to, have them put back together and everything. They cost me close to about $3,000. And the trees have grown back in my yard on top of my house. If this happened again, would he be responsible? Would he be able to help? Could I get him to help me? Am I continue to be responsible for it?
Good question.
Fantastic question.
Yes, Darius,
But another thing, the house is on Section 8.
Okay.
Okay. So it sounds like the trees are on your neighbor's property, and if that's the case, I can see a situation where the neighbor would have to pay for the damage, or at least have to chip in for the damage because it's on their property. So, I mean, that would be my initial reaction to that. But seeing as you had to pay the $6,000 initially, the last time it happened, it sounds like you may end up having to do that again.
Well, I never did try. I never did try to get him to pay. I just went on to myself and have my insurance really paid it.
Okay.
But I'm trying to see would I continue to be responsible for something that he won't, help me with.
Yeah. Larry, something that you may want to consider doing. Notice has a whole lot to do with when a tree is on someone else's property and falls and damages your property. If the homeowner next door is on notice that there might be some kind of danger with a tree, let's say it's rotten or there's a substantial number of limbs on one side that make it sort of dangerous. If they're put on notice of that, then they become responsible for it. But if they never know about it, they're not. So you might want to drop your neighbor a letter and just let them know, hey, this has happened once before. I see some problems with this tree. Hope y'all will take it down or make it safe. That will protect you, and that in the event the tree does fall and damage your property, if they have homeowners insurance, it should kick in to take care of that for you.
And I guess you would recommend make a copy of that letter.
I would, yes.
Before you, just for his own file.
That's right. Just so that you can show their insurance company, hey, I let them know that this was a problem, and we've had this problem before, and that should protect him on that.
Yes.